up, guys? It's Gavin here from Siesta Magnet Fishing. Here we're at Spanish Point, and we're going to see what we can find today. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. We got a nail, some metal shards. This place has been pretty high yield. Something dragging. Oh, whoa, what is that? Looks like a piece of metal. Well, if you guys have any idea what it is, go ahead and leave your comments below. That's a new one. I was just taking a break from magnet fishing. We've been here for a little while. Here at the Tiki Bar now, we're going to be playing some cornhole. Look at it, I got it in first try. I'm on fire. All right, let's see what we got on our first throw. Oh, sweet, old rusty nail. Oh man, my hat fell in the water. Yeah, no more hat. Shame. 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 Well, that sucked. At least I got my hat. Fine. What's this? Ooh. Looks like it's a little piece of jewelry. I wonder if it's worth anything. I guess you never know what you'll find when you go magnet fishing. Just finishing up magnet fishing today. We found some jewelry, some mysterious metal. It's been a great Easter weekend. I hope everyone has a great Easter, and y'all stay safe out there.